Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily remove your applications from your MacBook. So for doing this you just need to go to Launchpad and just choose the application you want to remove. Just press on it and just wait until you will see here delete button. But you can see that we don't see on every our icon this delete button. So how we can fix it? If you can't delete it from Launchpad, you just need to go to Finder and just go to Applications and just remove it from Applications. So, for example, Google Chrome. So just press on this icon with two buttons, with two fingers, and after you will see Move to Bin. So just tap on Move to Bin, and it will successfully move it to Bin. And after, just choose Empty Bin, just confirm it, and it will successfully empty your bin, so you will delete it permanently, and you won't have access for recovering this application. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.